Ever wondered how modern farms manage massive workloads with ease? Meet the ultimate game changers in bale handling, machines that stack, move, and store bales faster than ever before. Stick around to see how these powerful tools are transforming agriculture, boosting efficiency, and cutting costs. Have you ever wondered how large-scale farms manage to stack thousands of bales quickly and efficiently? Meet the Stinger Inc. Stinger 8500 Bale Stacker, a game changer in agricultural and industrial bale handling. With an impressive capacity to stack up to 8,500 bales per hour and powered by a robust diesel engine, this machine makes quick work of even the largest loads. But what truly sets it apart? Its high-speed stacking and advanced safety features, including sensors and alarms, ensure both speed and safety. Imagine the time saved compared to manual stacking. This marvel doesn't just boost productivity, it also minimizes labor costs, making it invaluable in its field. The Stinger 8500 is a revolution in bale handling, combining speed, efficiency, and safety like never before. Imagine revolutionizing the way bales are stacked and stored. Meet the Noen AF18 Bale Stacker, a powerhouse in the agricultural industry. Designed for efficiency, this machine can handle multiple bales simultaneously, ensuring operations run smoothly. With a robust engine and a compact design, it's perfect for maneuvering tight spaces. The standout feature, an automatic stacking system that guarantees precision and consistency every time. It even sports adjustable height capabilities, making it versatile for various storage setups. Compared to its peers, the AF18's efficiency can cut down labor costs while boosting productivity. In the expansive world of bale stacking, the Noen AF18 truly stands tall. Have you ever wondered how modern farms keep pace with massive workloads? The Acrusin Autostack FSX Bale Stacker, the ultimate game changer in the agricultural world. This automated marvel stacks bales of hay, straw, and more with effortless precision. Powered by an electric motor or reliable diesel engine, it stacks up to 20 bales per minute, standing as a quick and dependable ally in the field. What really sets it apart? Its customizable stacking configurations fit any storage needs, and advanced sensors ensure operator safety with every bale. Imagine eliminating strenuous manual stacking. This machine cuts labor costs and boosts productivity on a grand scale. Take farming efficiency to the next level with the Acrusin Autostack FSX Bale Stacker. The MilStack SPOD 3255 Bale Stacker, the powerhouse machine engineered for high-capacity, high-speed bale stacking. This monster can handle bales up to 355 pounds and stack an incredible 25 bales per minute. What sets it apart? Its automatic detecting and stacking technology minimize manual labor, saving you time and energy. Plus, it features adjustable height settings to accommodate various bale types. Imagine converting hours of manual stacking into a seamless, swift process. It's like turning hay into gold. With advanced control systems and enhanced safety features, this machine boosts productivity while reducing costs. The MilStack SP3255 isn't just a game changer, it's a must-have for any serious agricultural operation. Meet the HighLine MFG HighLine XL 2000 Bale Stacker, the ultimate game changer in agricultural efficiency. This powerhouse is designed to expertly handle and stack massive bales of hay, straw, or cotton with unparalleled precision. With a diesel engine powering its robust lifting mechanism, it effortlessly manages bales up to 5 feet long and 3 feet in diameter. The sophisticated stacking system ensures maximum storage efficiency, while advanced safety features like sensors and alarms keep operators safe. Imagine stacking bales twice as fast with half the effort. It's like having a team of tireless farmhands at your fingertips. Remarkably, this innovation reduces spoilage and environmental waste, making it an eco-friendly choice for modern agriculture. The HighLine XL 2000 Sunbury Bale Stacker isn't just a machine, it's a farming revolution. The new Holland Stackcruiser 105 Bale Stacker, a marvel in agricultural machinery. This versatile machine revolutionizes bale handling, tackling up to 105 bales effortlessly. Equipped with a robust diesel engine, it zips through fields at impressive speeds. The automatic bale handling system and adjustable stacking height are game changers, allowing for smooth and precise operations. Imagine reducing manual labor drastically while increasing productivity. It's like having an extra set of powerful hands. In fact, it can cut handling time by nearly half compared to traditional methods. The Stackcruiser R105 isn't just a machine, it's a leap forward for modern farming, ensuring efficiency and sustainability. The Pro AG Bale Titan RXR Bale Stacker is here to revolutionize your agricultural operations. This powerhouse can handle bales up to a whopping 4,000 pounds, all thanks to its robust diesel engine. With advanced features like adjustable bale height and automatic bale placement, it ensures precision and efficiency. Not to mention, it's packed with safety features to keep your team safe. Imagine cutting labor costs and boosting productivity. This machine makes it happen. It's like swapping a handcart for a high-tech forklift. Did you know it can save up to 50% in labor costs? The Bale Titan RXR isn't just a machine, it's a game changer for the agriculture industry. The Arcusin ForStack Bale Stacker, the ultimate game changer in agricultural efficiency. This powerhouse machine seamlessly handles and stacks bales of hay, straw, and more with its incredible automatic bale handling system. It boasts an adjustable stacking height, ensuring you make the most out of any storage space. Unlike traditional manual methods, the Arcusin ForStack dramatically reduces physical labor and the risk of injury. Imagine a day where you can handle double the bales in half the time. With advanced safety features and a compact design, it's not just a machine, it's the future of farming. Embrace unparalleled efficiency and productivity today. Ever wondered how farmers manage those giant round bales of hay? Meet the HighLine manufacturing BM14 Round Bale Mover. This incredible machine revolutionizes bale handling with the power to move bales up to 14 feet in diameter and weighing a staggering 4,000 pounds. Fueled by a robust diesel engine, its compact design and hydraulic system ensure it can navigate tight spaces with ease. What truly sets the BM14 apart are its advanced safety features, like automatic bale release mechanisms and emergency stop buttons. It's a game changer for agricultural efficiency, slashing manual labor time and boosting productivity. Compared to other bale movers, its precision and maneuverability are unmatched. With the BM14, the future of farming looks brighter and more efficient. Enter the Circle C Equipment American Eagle Big Bale Stacker, the ultimate game changer for agricultural efficiency. This heavy-duty marvel lifts and stacks bales with a capacity of up to 20 tons, powered by a robust diesel engine. Not just about brute force, it's engineered for speed, enabling quick and efficient bale management. The Big Bale Stacker also boasts impressive durability to withstand any weather conditions. Its unique automated stacking system further cuts labor costs, making farm operations smoother. Imagine reducing manual labor and boosting productivity. That's the remarkable impact of the American Eagle Big Bale Stacker. This machine is vital to modern agriculture, optimizing both time and resources. If you have bales to stack but short on time, meet the Anderson Group Comer. StackPro 7200 Bale Stacker. This powerhouse is revolutionizing the agricultural and industrial sectors with its capability to stack up to 7,200 bales per hour. Equipped with advanced stacking technology and a robust engine, it ensures precision and speed, minimizing downtime. What really sets it apart is its adjustable stacking heights, accommodating varying bale sizes effortlessly. Say goodbye to labor-intensive manual stacking. The StackPro 7200 does the heavy lifting for you, significantly boosting productivity while cutting costs. With user-friendly controls and enhanced durability, it's the go-to solution for efficient and reliable bale stacking. The future of stacking is here. Farm King Bale Carrier 1450, the agricultural powerhouse transforming bale handling. This robust machine streamlines the transport and stacking of hay, straw, and more, drastically reducing manual labor. Boasting an impressive capacity, it can handle up to 14 bales at a time and features adjustable settings for different bale sizes. What sets it apart is its innovative safety features, including advanced guards, ensuring safe operation. Imagine moving 14 heavy bales in one swift go versus manually laboring over each one. In fact, using this machine can increase farm productivity by up to 40%. The Farm King Bale Carrier 1450 isn't just a machine, it's a game changer in modern farming operations, making bale management quicker, safer, and more efficient. Meet the Bale Packing and Agricultural Machinery Stack 200 Bale Stacker, the heavy-duty powerhouse revolutionizing agriculture. Capable of stacking up to 200 bales, this diesel-powered marvel handles various sizes and weights with ease. What sets it apart? Its adjustable stacking heights and robust safety features ensure seamless operations and maximum flexibility. Imagine taking a day-long task and condensing it into mere hours. This is the equivalent of swapping out manual labor for a super efficient machine. Fun fact, using this bale stacker can reduce labor costs by up to 30%. The MilStack 200 is a game changer, transforming inefficiencies into streamlined success. Phiber Stacking Accumulator Bale Stacker, the ultimate game changer in agriculture, manufacturing, and logistics. This powerhouse can handle a plethora of bales quickly, thanks to its advanced electric motors and hydraulic systems. Imagine the manual labor it takes to stack bales all day. Now slash that time dramatically with its automatic stacking capability. What truly sets it apart? The adjustable height feature, ensuring perfect customization for any bale type. In agriculture alone, it not only reduces labor costs, but also optimizes output, boosting productivity impressively. With safety sensors and AI integration, this machine propels you into the future of efficient and safe bale handling. The Phiber Stacking Accumulator is indispensable for any industry looking to maximize efficiency and minimize costs. Agrimerin Bale Loader, the game changer in agricultural efficiency. This powerhouse is designed for quick and effortless loading of hay, straw, or other agricultural products. Compact yet mighty, it's powered by a robust diesel engine, handling bales of all sizes with ease. What sets it apart? Its automatic bale handling system and adjustable grips that ensure a secure lift every time. Imagine loading multiple bales simultaneously. No more backbreaking labor. This machine slashes time and effort, dramatically boosting productivity. In fact, studies show it can reduce labor costs by up to 30%. The Agrimerin Bale Loader isn't just a machine, it's a revolution in farming efficiency. Morris Stinger Stacker Bale Stacker. This powerhouse is revolutionizing agriculture with automatic bale handling and adjustable stacking height, effortlessly managing multiple bales at once. Powered by a robust diesel engine, it thrives in any weather, ensuring reliability. Unmatched in maneuverability, it masters tight spaces and uneven terrain with ease. While competitors struggle, the Morris Stinger excels with features like automatic stacking, reducing labor costs and increasing productivity by leaps and bounds. Imagine stacking bales faster than ever before, cutting operation time in half. This game changer isn't just efficient, it's essential for modern farming, paving the way for peak productivity and streamlined operations. Fascinated by these agricultural marvels? There's more innovation to uncover. Subscribe for a closer look at the latest farming technologies and see how these machines are driving the future of efficient and sustainable agriculture. Don't miss out.